Today we will be installing the Daystar Products Tailgate Bump Stops for the Jeep Wrangler JK. We'll begin by loosening the lug nuts and removing the spare tire. Next, we will remove the factory bump stops. Just grab them and pull out. Now we can install the Daystar Tailgate bump stops. Using some strength, push in and thread into the factory location. Daystar Tailgate bump stops are adjustable and can be trimmed to fit any tire and wheel combination up to a 37-inch tire. Prevent your JK spare tire from annoying rattling with Daystar's adjustable tailgate bump stops.